The Master Account Federal Reserve Processes and Personal Financial Operations. 1. Overview of Federal Reserve Master Accounts. You begin by understanding that the Federal Reserve maintains master accounts for depository institutions. These accounts serve as the backbone for interbank settlements, monetary policy implementation, and liquidity management. By observing these processes, you can comprehend how central banking operations indirectly affect your personal financial environment. Footnote: Master accounts are the Federal Reserve's mechanism for controlling liquidity and facilitating transactions between banks. 2. Connection between master accounts and personal finance. You see, while individuals do not hold master accounts, every transaction you perform in your checking, savings, or investment accounts is settled through these systems. Understanding this link illuminates how banks manage funds, process payments, and influence credit availability. Footnote: Every personal financial transaction ultimately flows through the Federal Reserve's master account system. 3. Money flow and banking processes. You must recognize that the Federal Reserve's accounting and transfer protocols ensure the smooth movement of money between institutions. By mastering these concepts, you can appreciate how deposits, loans, and settlements impact liquidity and financial decision-making at the personal level. Footnote: Money flow at the central banking level dictates how commercial banks operate and provide services to clients. 4. Strategic applications for individuals. You can leverage knowledge of these processes to better plan cash flow, credit use, and investment strategies. Recognizing how central bank policies ripple through banking systems allows for more informed decisions regarding savings, borrowing, and wealth management. Footnote: Understanding central banking mechanics empowers individuals to make strategic financial choices. 5. Practical implications and next steps. You are encouraged to observe bank statements, interest accrual, and transaction timing to identify patterns influenced by central banking operations. This awareness supports enhanced personal financial sovereignty and effective participation in the broader financial system. Footnote: Practical observation of banking activity enables application of Federal Reserve knowledge to personal finances.